You gotta stop just using toilet paper. There's a better way. Stay tuned. If you're using toilet paper, you gotta combine it with a bidet combo, okay friends? You can't just keep using just toilet paper. It just doesn't keep you clean. You gotta use both. Hey there friends, welcome to Fix This House, bathroom edition. On this episode, I'm gonna be showing you how to install this bidet that works really well and won't break the bank. So let me show you how to install it in less than 5 minutes. So friends, if you're thinking about installing a bidet in your toilet, a good simple one would be this right here, the Samadra button bidet. It's easy to install and it's straightforward. Okay, let me show you how to install it and how it works. Controls how much pressure of water that you want. The nozzle clean, it's a button style, so you just click it, front, rear. Here's the second piece. There's your hose and connections. That's pretty much it, what comes in the box. Let's install it. The very first thing that you want to do is you want to locate where the water supply valve is and shut that off. Drain all the water that's inside your toilet tank. Take your little bucket, place it underneath, and we're going to disconnect this and let the rest of the water drain out. Drain out whatever's left in the hose. The next step is take out the old toilet seat. Depending on what model that you have, you can just unscrew it from top here, under here. Toilet seat bolts, make sure you save these. Remove the same thing on the other side. Taking all that bolts out, just lift out and take out the seat. You want to go and clean that up. So what I like to do is I like to use this Lysol disinfectant wipes. Nice and clean. So now you're going to take the bidet and the toilet seat attachment and you're just going to let it till it clicks, just like that. See this? It rotates and you're just going to line it up to emit till it meets the holes where the toilet seats are. So for me, it looks like it's right around there. Take your old toilet seat and place it right on top of it. Take the same or hardware and place it back in. I do the same thing for the other side. Then lock it in place. Nice and secured. Now it's time to attach the hoses with the water supply. So before I connect this adapter right underneath the water supply valve, I like to always put the Teflon tape or the plumber's tape first and wrap it about 4 or 5 times. Place it right underneath the toilet tank. You can use your adjustable wrench to tighten that as well. Take your water supply hose and connect it to this T adapter. Right underneath the bottom, make sure that the rubber washer's in there. That should be good. The supplied hose that they give you. And now, just tighten it right there to the T. Here's your water bidet hose. Now install it to the water bidet inlet right here. Now be very careful, you don't want to over tighten because it might crack, so just enough. So that's pretty much it. All you did was connect this to the water supply, to the T, to the water hose, bidet, to the inlet, and after that, turn back the water supply on and check for any leaks. So feel around, see if there's anything dripping, and if there's nothing dripping, which we see here, nothing is leaking, you're good to go. Let me show you how to operate it. Here it controls the water pressure. If you go all the way to minimum, it won't turn on. But when you adjust it to the higher pressure, you can see that it turns on. And there you go. You can do front. If you want, you can do both, rear and front. After you press this, that thing self-retracts. This Samadra bidet is the basic of the bidets, but if you're interested on one that provides you with hot water that connects to the hot water, I made a video for that. Check out this video right here. So friends, you shouldn't get intimidated installing one of these bidets. This one is super DIY friendly and it's not that expensive for what it's worth. The Samadra bidet, this thing does really well. The functions are simple and it's straight to the point and it works super well for the cost of a bidet like this. If you're looking for something that won't break the bank, this is the bidet for you. You don't really need all those fancy blowers, the heating elements and whatnot. If you just want something to get the job done, this Samadra bidet is the one right for you. Okay friends, so if you're interested on this, click the link on the description down below. I'll leave a simple link. Check it out for yourself and It'll definitely change your life. Again, friends, if you found this video super helpful, please hit that like, subscribe, notification bell, and I'll see you, friends, on the next video.